In this video, I'm going to try new art hobbies that I never tried in my whole life. Yes, you heard it right. Do you want to know that कि मैं इन 7 दिनों में exhaust हो जाती हूँ या एक fun activity create होती है ये? So to know that you have to watch this video till the very end because you're gonna miss all the fun part and all the surprises that I want to give to you guys in this video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Today is the day 1 of trying new art hobbies till a week, and today we are trying resin art. So I never tried resin art, so I will see a tutorial and let's make some easy stuff from it. I got these supplies to make a resin pendant and I thought it will be super easy for me as a beginner. So here are the supplies and now I will use the UV tape, and it was very hard to find the edge to open the tape. Now I am sticking the toothpick and now I am doing my first attempt to make a resin pendant, and I chose very simple method, and that is that I will use some flower petal and a foil. And mind you that it is looking so easy peasy on video, but in real life it is super hard because the resin was creating bubbles and the foil was sticking all over my finger and it was super irritating. But at the end I created some decent piece, and now I am trying to make another hard design which I perfectly failed. Yeah, it was not at all looking good obviously, and now I'm creating another simple design because I know I'm not capable of creating a hard one. So these are the things that I created and I'm super happy to make them, and some of them were not looking good, but it's okay. As you saw, I never tried resin art, but in this video I tried it for the first time and it went pretty well, but some of them were not good because I'm trying it for the first time, but some were wearable. So I will try to wear them in public. Yeah. This is the day 2 of trying new art hobbies till a week, and today we are trying rhinestone art on a canvas and my inspos are these. So let's see how it will turn out because it is my first time obviously, so let's go. Firstly, let me do some satisfying part, which is unboxing a new canvas, and I always love it. Now I will give a little transition and I will draw this cute design. So I just drew this drawing and I have to paint and then I have to stick the rhinestone. So let's see how much time it will consume because it's already 10 p.m. Now I will create a beautiful baby pink shade to paint on this design. So it's 11 o'clock already and I just did the coloring part. Now I will do the rhinestone part, and I think it will take long time. So I will change my clothes into some comfy clothes and then I will start the rhinestone part, and if it's not done then I will shift it tomorrow, no hurry. But I want to enjoy the process, so let's go. Now I'm starting this rhinestone part and I'm super excited to make this. Let's see how much time it will consume. And here I'm spreading Fevicol so that I can stick rhinestone. So here I am sticking rhinestone, and it was super relaxing and fun, but it was taking a lot of patience, and I did this and it was already 12:30, and this is the next day and I postponed it to next day because I prioritize my sleep. That's why I'm doing this on day 3. That means we are doing 2 art on a single day and it will be really fun to do. And by the way, this rhinestone art was done on an A3 canvas, so it took almost 2.5 hours total, and here is the final look. To be honest, rhinestone art was fun and relaxing, but at the same time it took a lot of patience and time. So if you have patience, then you can go ahead with this art. Now for the third art, I'm going to try to make my own DIY keychain from wool. So let's see it will turn cute or let's go. It is the same day and that is day 3, and I am trying to make a DIY keychain from wool. The tutorial seemed to be very easy, so I chose it, and now I am trying to make wool keychain. So I am making 3 pom-poms from this wool and I am cutting all the rough edges, and now I will give a little transition, and here I made 3 pom-poms and now I am creating a large pom-pom. So here is the process that you can see on the screen, and I want to tell you that I'm not teaching you this because I'm doing it also for the first time. So I'm learning from some YouTube tutorials or Pinterest tutorials, so I will mention that in the description box so that you can also watch them and try them that I'm also doing. And here I stick the pom pom with the help of Fevikwik, and I kid you not, इसमें से smoke आ रहा था और मुझे इसका रीजन पता नहीं है. सो प्लीज आप कमेंट्स में बताइए कि व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल रीजन बिहाइंड इट, बिकॉज मुझे तो समझ नहीं आया. नाउ आई एडेड अ की चेन. नाउ आई एम एडिंग अ पिंक क्यूट बो in this, and here is the final look, and it was looking cute. So today is day 4 and we are trying air dry clay, and for this video we have a special guest. Ta-da! So we are going to make trinket tray. You guys will tell in the comment section whom did you like the most. Let's make it. Let's make it. ऐसा करा. Let's make it. So we are using air dry clay, and now we are making a dough, and now we will flatten it to make a trinket tray. So trinket tray was in my Pinterest board for a longest time, and now I decided to make it finally. And as you can see, it is looking like a shit. So I'm trying again, and with the help of Fevicryl molded clay.
एक तेरा, एक मेरा, दो तेरा, दो मेरा, तीन तेरा, तीन मेरा, 50-50 बराबर है.
So if you are thinking कि मैं इसको इतना perfect बनाना क्यों चाहती हूँ, because guys, trinket tray was in my Pinterest board for the longest time and I wanted to try it for real. So I want it to be perfect. और अब मैं गलती वापस repeat नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं एक tutorial देख के ये try कर रही हूँ. Yes, you have heard right. मैं tutorial देख रही हूँ क्योंकि पिछली बार मैं अपनी ही होशियारी में थी कि मुझे अपने आप करना है क्योंकि ये इजी लग रहा है. बट नाउ आई एम कम्प्लीटली श्योर दैट ये कुछ भी हो सकता है पर इजी तो नहीं ही हो सकता है. सो आई वॉच द ट्यूटोरियल एंड दिस goodie product I made was looking so amazing. So now I will stick the bow that we made and I will stick it with the help of Fevikwik. और मैं अब इसको 3 लेयर देने वाली हूँ white coat की, because I don't want कि अपना कलर दिखाए. Yes, now I'm painting the bow with the color pink, because pink is my favorite color, and now I'm giving it a very coquette core design. And here my sister is also coating white color on her trinket tray. अब ये अपने hearts बना रही है इसी tray के अंदर. ये hearts ही hearts हो गए. अब हम वार्निश की एक कोट लगाएंगे जिससे ये थोड़ा ग्लॉसी ग्लॉसी दिखे और एकदम एस्थेटिक लुक दे. And here we are completed with our trinket tray. So this fourth art really traumatized me, because I wanted to try to make a trinket tray for so long. But when I tried it for the first time, it looked so shitty. I'm not even kidding. But when I tried it again, because I wanted to make it perfect, so I made it again and it turned out so good. I mean, I can't believe that I made it. So you can see that we are not God. We are humans, so we can do mistakes in our first go, but when we try again and again, we can make it perfect. And here is the example, and I am very proud of myself. This is the day 5, and so far I am enjoying these new art hobbies, and today I am going to try texture art. Here I am using wall putty in powder form, and I am taking 10 tablespoon of wall putty, and then I will mix Fevicol in it. And now don't ask me how much I am putting in it, because मैंने 2 bottles खाली कर दी है 10 रुपए की Fevicol की. So आप approx estimate लगा सकते हो. Now I'm adding water to make a thick paste out of it, and here is the consistency that I'm going for. And now I'm using these cake tools that my mother don't use now, so these are spare ones. And now I'm putting all the paste on the canvas, and now I'm using a spatula, and then I'm spreading all over the canvas, and now I'm giving some texture in it. And it was not looking perfect, but guys, I was enjoying the process and it was so satisfying to do. And here we are completed with the texture, and we will keep aside to make it dry. And now after drying, we are coloring it, and now here is the final look, and it was looking so good. Before moving further in this video, I want to give you a huge surprise from my side. So as you know that I am so close to reach 100k, That's why I want to celebrate with you, and I'm announcing a huge giveaway so that you can feel also special in this cozy little place. That's why I'm announcing this huge journaling giveaway where you will get journaling tools like scissors, tweezers, glue tape, stencil cutter, etc. And also you will get scrapbooking papers, stickers, washi tapes, and so on. But fun part, I am also writing a personalized letter for you. So if you are wondering how you can win this giveaway, then entry rules are simple. You just have to subscribe me, like this video, and comment me down that why do you love journaling. Simple. And there will be 2 winners which I will announce in the live of YouTube when I will achieve 100k. But if you want to increase the number of winners, then do subscribe me a lot, because if you help me reach 100k this month, then I will increase the number of winners. So let's go ahead with this video. Guys, this is the day 6 and today we are trying to make a jellyfish with the help of pipe cleaner. Yeah, we are doing a pipe cleaner art, and this was so looking beautiful on the picture, and here is the reference picture that you can see that I want to achieve. And I'm noticing that I'm using only pink color in this video. I mean, why? So if you are wondering that, then room has a pink aesthetic, so I'm matching that so that I can decorate these stuff in my room. That's why I'm making everything pink, so you can choose your own color that you want. And now I made the one outer part of jellyfish, and now I will give another transition to this, and now I will create another one. Yeah, so explanation is not my thing, so I will give all the tutorial video as I said in my description box, so that you can also get help to make all of these things and all the things that I use in the video. Then I will share all the links, and here is the final look. It is looking so beautiful. So far this 6 art will be my most favorite one because it was easy to make, it was not at all time consuming, and the result turned out so pretty. And I will now decorate on my wall, and I will share picture with you guys on Instagram, so do follow. Now let's see what we will be making tomorrow, and it will be super exciting. This is the last day, day 7, and I'm trying to make an embroidered starfish on a tote bag, and I thought that it will be super fun to do. And now I'm inserting a thread into this needle, which was very hard part of this embroidery because it took almost 20 minutes to put a thread into this needle. I mean, you can do it on your own risk, and after all of that time, this is the final result. I have to fill the rest of the part, but yeah, as you saw that the 7th art will take lot of patience from you because it is not a game of one day, but the result will definitely turn out very pretty. So if I complete this whole embroidery part, then I will share picture with you guys on Instagram. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and now we will meet in next another amazing video. Till then, tata, bye bye.